Hello everyone, welcome back to Baron Technologies YouTube channel, and today we will be modeling a knot using Solidworks. We will learn how to create threads and knots using thread features. Well, to start, open a new file, parts, okay, and select the front plane sketch. Well, to create a hexagonal knot, we draw a hexagon. Make this line horizontal. Smart dimension, distance between these two lines 20 mm. Extrude, the mid plane condition, extrude 9 mm. Check. Select this face, sketch, normal tool. Want to draw a circle. Add a relation between the circle and the edge. Tangent. Check. Now we go to features. We want to cut. Extrude cut. We flip side to cut because we want to cut outside. Through all. Draft 45 degrees. Check. And we've gotten what we want. Now we want to mirror our front plane. Features to mirror the cut extrude. Okay. And we've gotten the shape that we want. So select this face, sketch, draw a circle of diameter 10.38 mm. Check. Now I go to features, cut. We cut through all. Check. Now I want to chamfer these edges, this and this. Distance 0.5, angle 45 degrees, and that is that. Isometric. Now to create the thread in a knot using thread features, you go to hole wizard, select thread, okay, and thread location start point is this up to this face, and you can see that this is starting inside. We want to offset it outside so that we can have a better cut. See, use your metric tap for your knot. M12 by 1.5 right-handed thread. Okay. And then we can add an appearance, steel, metal brush steel, and we have created our model of a knot using Solidworks. Don't forget to like and share our video, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos on Solidworks. I think in our subsequent, yeah, thank you.